All right, guys, just watch this. Look at the road markings. We have full priority to follow the bend around, and the van driver just comes flying past. We had to slam the brakes. It might not look as scary as it was when we were doing it, but the student was completely shaken. But look at this. This is crazy. They have to wait there before they come across, but they just went flying across without a care at all. So yeah, just be careful. We have full priority going around that bend, but you can see the road markings, bends around. If they want to leave that road which they are on and they want to exit into that road which they went into, they have to signal and wait for us. Okay, but yeah, it happens. It's scary. You've got to be quick on the brakes, quick to react. Student was asking, "Oh, what would happen if that happened on a test? Would I fail and stuff?" I said, "It's not about that. It's about how you react and whether you can break and deal with that scenario, because you're going to come across that whether when you pass. You've got to show that you've got the skills to sort of react to that, which is hard, takes experience, but that is it. Unfortunately, that's life. But yeah, survived it, alhamdulillah.